United States Department of Agriculture logo. Golden Squash Hotcakes. Recipe for children ages 3 through 5. Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. This recipe makes 6 servings, takes 20 minutes to prep and 22 minutes to cook. Let's get started. Wash your hands for 20 seconds using soap and water. Lather hands and rinse off soap. Use a paper towel to dry hands. The recipe ingredients are shown on a cutting board. Turn on the oven and preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash summer squash and dry with a paper towel. Grate 2 cups of squash. Place the shredded squash in a single layer onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Place the baking sheet in a preheated oven. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Prepare the flour mixture while the squash bakes. In a medium bowl, combine a half cup of whole wheat flour, a half teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of apple pie spice. Stir. In a separate small bowl, combine 1 egg, 1½ teaspoons of canola oil, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of fat-free milk, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl containing the flour mixture. Whisk. Take the baked squash out of the oven. Fold the baked squash into the bowl containing the batter mixture. Stir. Warm a skillet and spray with cooking spray. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto a heated skillet. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes and then flip. Cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. The internal temperature should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Serve 1 hotcake. The CACFP crediting for Golden Squash Hotcakes for children ages 3 through 5 is as follows. The serving size is 1 hotcake. It is an 1/8 cup vegetable and 1/2 ounce equivalent grains. This recipe is whole grain rich. The source is the Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. United States Department of Agriculture bumper. USDA is an equal opportunity provider, employer, and lender. See complete recipe and more at www.fns.usda.gov/team-nutrition-recipes. QR code is shown with instructions to scan the QR code with your mobile device.